Assertive sentence. 1. You should not waste time elaborating your answers. 2. You cannot change your handwriting. 3. The entire complex will cover an area of 126 acres. 4. The plan of this complex includes a library and a museum. 5. The foundation of the National Memorial was laid on the first anniversary of the Victory Day. 6. The freedom fighters freed our country from the oppression of the Pakistani leaders. 7. Khan Jahan Ali founded a Muslim colony in Bagherhat. 8. Khan Jahan Ali adorned his city with numerous tanks, roads, and public buildings. 9. Second-hand shops sell old goods. 10. Books introduce us with the society. 11. Women held railings. 12. Arsenic does not cause instant death. 30. Arsenic affects people slowly. 40. Sulfur pollution from nearby oil refineries has caused damage to the Taj. 50. Acid pollution is spoiling the color of the paint. 60. The young doctors should attend international seminars. 70. The unwillingness of the women to go abroad returns their professional skill. 18. May 1st reminds us the historic struggle of the working people. 90. The police freed into the crowd of workers in 1886. 20. Mr. Smith closed her eyes. 21. Mr. Smith switched on the radio. 22. The joke drove many people into frenzy. 23. The town mouse did not enjoy the dinner. 24. France rest found by subscription. 25. The state symbolizes liberty. 26. The state was designed by the French sculptor Frederic